everyone. In this video, I am going to explain a question based on matrix convolution. So for this one, here we are going to consider two discrete time domain sequences. Now here is the question. Find the convolution of following sequences like x of n is equal to 2, minus 1, 1, 3. Now these are the amplitudes at the time instances. By considering this arrow mark is nothing but indicating amplitude at the time instant origin. So this is the amplitude minus 1 at the time instant n equal to 0. Now for this arrow mark, right side amplitudes are going to be the positive time instant amplitudes, and for this arrow mark, left side amplitudes are going to be negative time instant amplitude. So that here 1 is the amplitude at n equal to 1, 3 is the amplitude at n equal to 2. Now coming to this, 2 is the amplitude at n equal to minus 1. Now coming to the other sequence, h of n is equal to 3, 4, 2. Now here arrow is not mentioned means the first amplitude is nothing but at the time instant n equal to 0. Now 3 is the amplitude at n equal to 0, 4 at n equal to 1, 2 at n equal to 2. Now based on these two discrete time sequences, we need to find out output sequence y of n. Now by considering matrix convolution, here we have to follow some steps. Like in step 1, write down sequence x of n and h of n as shown. Now here x of n sequences are considered in column wise and h of n sequences are considered in row wise. Now here firstly we need to write down in this manner. Now coming to step 2, multiply each and every sample in h of n with the samples of x of n and form a matrix. Now here what we are doing, we need to multiply each amplitude of h of n with the x of n amplitudes. So that see here, firstly considering first row, first column, then first row, second column, first row, third column, first row with fourth column. So here we may obtain like here 6 minus 3, 3 and here 9. We are multiplying 3 into 2, 3 into minus 1, 3 into 1 and 3 into 3 means 9. In this manner, we may find out the second row also. Here 8 minus 4, 4, here 12. Here we are multiplying the second row with all the columns here. 4 2s are 8, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 4 into 1 4, 4 3s are 12. Like this, we need to multiply again for the third row also. So here 2 2s are 4 and here minus 2 with the 2 and minus 1 and here 2 into 1 2 and 2 into 3 6. This is the second step we need to do. And coming to the step 3, divide the elements in the matrix by drawing the diagonal lines. Now here what we have to do, here we have to divide into some diagonal lines. So in this manner we need to divide. So for the first 6 and next 8 into minus 3 is in second diagonal row and 4 minus 4 3 is in third diagonal, minus 2 4 9 is in other diagonal and 2 into 2 and 12 are in other diagonal, 6 in other diagonal line. Now coming to step 4, starting from left, sum all the elements in each strip. Now here in each diagonal, whatever the elements are there, we need to do the addition. So here, firstly, in first diagonal strip, we find that only 6 is there. So consider 6 as one amplitude. And coming to the second diagonal strip, here we have 8 and minus 3. So we need to do addition in between these two. So 8 minus 3 means we can find it as 5. Next coming to the third diagonal strip, here are 4 and minus 4 plus 3. In each diagonal we are going to do here addition operation. So here we find it as 3. Coming to the fourth diagonal strip, here are -2 plus 4 plus 9 means here 11. And coming to the fifth diagonal strip, here are 2 plus 12 equal to 14 and in other 6. Now here we find the amplitudes as 6, 5, 3, 11 and 14 and 6 also. So the output y of n amplitudes are going to be 6, 5, 3, 11, 14 and 6. Now here in step 5 we need to arrange all these amplitudes in a line. Now here which amplitude is representing in which time instant means we need to consider one formula here. Here x of n is going to start at the time instant n equal to -1 time instant and h of n is going to start at the time instant n equal to 0 time instant. By considering these time instances, we are going to find the output y of n sequence is going to start at -1 time instant plus 0. So y of n sequence is going to start at the time instant -1. So y of n output sequence here amplitude is 6 means this is the amplitude at n equal to -1. So that we may write arrow mark here. Arrow mark indicating that the amplitude which is going to start at the time instant origin. So next coming to here, this is the amplitude at n equal to 1, here n equal to 2, here n equal to 3 and n equal to 4. Now like this we can find out the discrete convolution of given two discrete time domain sequences to find out output sequence y of n.